Okay. This is Chocolate Hills at Subayan Peak. Okay, that is Daddy. Okay, Mommy and Ate Gigi. Okay, that's Auntie Susette. Okay, this is the Faculty of Consolacion, Mount Olives. Yeah, we're having tour right now here at Subayan Peak. Okay. Hello! Hi guys! I'll be downloading this one man. So that one, the people there, over there, Mount Olives Faculty of Mandaue. Okay, that's them. There. Okay, again, the view of Chocolate Hills. Okay. Picture. Okay, ang ganda ng Chocolate Hills, di ba? So good. Okay. I'm having video right now. Okay? It's a video coverage. Okay, pose. Smile. There. Hello, Ate Kati, mag-take ng picture. Ay, sorry, sir. Okay. Okay, that's Ate Kati. Ate Kati, smile. Okay, that's Ate Kati. Doon, teachers pa rin yun doon. Okay. Teacher Ami, hello. Hi, teacher. Okay. There, yan. Faculty yan. Piping tayo. Okay. Makikita nyo to sa Friendster. Hello, guys. Okay, this is our first stop, the Chocolate Hills. Okay. Very nice tourist spot. If we're gonna go there, then we're gonna see a beautiful view of the Chocolate Hills. Okay. And this is me. Hello, hi. Mwah. I missed you. Hi. Yeah, so that's me. That's all. Thank you. Ate Gigi. Hi, Ate Gigi. Hi. She's having centipede kay mommy. Okay, mommy, you smile one last time, and also daddy. Yan, the father and the mother of Mount Olives. Me also, hi. The daughter, hello. Stop.